Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and today I'm gonna be showing you how I created this easy peasy nail art look for Halloween. So if you wanna know how I made this, then please keep on watching. Start with applying a base coat on all your fingers and then layer it with a black nail paint. Apply second coat of black nail paint. Then using a sapphire blue nail paint, cover almost half of your nail and then using a sponge piece, dab the edges of the nail paint to make it look more of smudged into the black nail paint. Repeat this step for a better ombre look. Now top this with a top coat. Repeat the same process for the rest of your nails. Now using a thin nail art brush dipped in white nail paint, I'm gonna write BOO on my middle finger. Once done with that, we're gonna paint out small little ghosts on the rest of our fingers. You can do that using the nail paint brush directly as shown in the video. Or you could simply use a dotting tool dipped in white nail paint as shown in the video. You can definitely use a bobby pin or a toothpick if you do not have a dotting tool with you. Just make random white structures on your nails as shown in the video. Then we're gonna make small extensions mimicking the hands of the ghosts. And with a pointed dotting brush dipped in black nail paint, we're gonna make eyes for the ghosts. Make mouth for the ghosts using the same dotting tool. Top all your nails with a top coat and your Halloween nail art look is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.